The power of business analysis, unlocking growth and stability. Every business starts with a vision. Maybe it was a dream you scribbled in a notebook. Maybe it was a problem you knew you could solve better than anyone else. But once that dream becomes a business, the game changes. It's no longer just about passion. It's about clarity, direction, insight, data that drives real decisions. That's where business analysis steps in. It's not just spreadsheets and jargon. It's the secret ingredient behind some of the most sustainable and successful companies in the world. Business analysis is about understanding the inner workings of your business, your cash flow, your customers, your market, and your operations, and using that knowledge to make better, smarter, faster decisions. Because in a fast-moving world, reacting isn't enough. You need to anticipate. You need to lead with insight. Maximizing cash flow through clarity. Let's talk about cash flow. Not the theory, real day-to-day money movement. Cash flow keeps your lights on. It funds your next hire, your marketing budget, your expansion plans. But too often, business owners feel like they're chasing their own tails, always trying to catch up. Business analysis helps break that cycle. It shines a light on your revenue streams. Who's buying, what they're buying, when they're buying. It shows you the hidden potential in your existing customers. You'll start to see upselling opportunities you missed before and cross-sell items that could easily add 20, 30, even 50% more value to a single transaction. And what about loyalty? Retaining a happy customer is far more cost-effective than acquiring a new one. Through analysis, you can design loyalty programs that actually move the needle based on behavior, not guesses. Want predictable revenue? A subscription model might be your answer. With business analysis, you can determine if your audience would embrace it, how to price it, and how to deliver consistent value so they stay subscribed month after month. You'll also identify delays in your payment systems and fix the friction. Because slow money is lost opportunity. With data guiding you, you can make payments smoother, faster, and more reliable. The one customer strategy. Trying to serve everyone often means you deeply serve no one. The most profitable businesses don't chase the masses. They focus on serving one customer better than anyone else. That's the essence of the one customer strategy. Business analysis helps you discover exactly who that customer is. Not just their age or income, but their pain points, their values, their aspirations. With this clarity, you'll build products and services that speak directly to them. Marketing becomes effortless because you're no longer shouting into the void. You're speaking to someone who feels seen. And once you have this customer locked in, your business becomes leaner, stronger, and more profitable. You'll refine your offers, pricing, support, and even delivery based on what actually works for them, not what might work for someone else. This is where real loyalty begins. When people feel understood, they return, they refer, they become part of your story. Using data to make decisions that stick. Intuition has its place, but data gives you confidence. Business analysis turns information into action. It connects the dots between customer behavior, sales patterns, marketing effectiveness, and operational performance. With it, you can answer questions like, why are customers leaving after 3 months? Which product actually drives the most profit? Where are we wasting time and money? You don't just react to problems, you prevent them. You don't just guess what's working, you know. Even in uncertain times when the market shifts or new competitors arise, business analysis gives you the tools to pivot strategically, not emotionally. It makes your leadership sharper, your decisions faster, and your outcomes more consistent. Building for the long term. Short wins feel good. But long-term growth? That's legacy. With a business analysis mindset, you're no longer making decisions for just this month or this quarter. You're building a machine that can run, grow, and evolve for years to come. It starts with tracking the right metrics. Not just vanity stats, but KPIs that tell the real story. Customer retention, lifetime value, cost per acquisition, conversion rate, delivery speed. Once you know these numbers, you can fine-tune every part of your business like an engine. You'll also identify untapped growth opportunities. New markets, new products, improved offers. You'll see what competitors are doing and know exactly how to do it better. And financially, you'll be ahead of the curve. Better forecasting, better budgeting, better profitability. That means more room to innovate, hire, expand, and thrive. Scalability becomes reality, not a buzzword, because your systems, team, and operations are built on intentional design, not guesswork. Making it happen in your business. You might be wondering, this sounds powerful, but where do I start? Start small, but start strategically. Don't let the word analysis scare you into inaction. You don't need to be a tech wizard or spreadsheet guru. You simply need to decide what success looks like for your business right now. Is it increasing your revenue? Reducing unnecessary expenses? Getting more return from the customers you already have? Or finally getting organized so your business doesn't feel like chaos on a good day? Once you have clarity on your priorities, the next step is gathering the data you already have. And you have more than you think. Your customer records, sales receipts, service logs, email open rates, invoices, website traffic, Google reviews, even sticky notes on your desk. They all tell part of the story. The goal isn't to drown in information, it's to spot patterns. Where do your best customers come from? Which services are consistently profitable? Which processes are wasting time or causing customer frustration? You don't need to analyze everything at once. Pick one area, say your customer journey or your cash flow, and start there. Ask simple but important questions. Is this working? What could improve? What's the actual data saying? Business analysis isn't about perfection. It's about clarity. It's about making better decisions with what you already know and filling in the gaps as you go. And remember, you don't have to figure this out alone. Sometimes the most transformative progress comes when someone outside your daily grind offers a fresh perspective. Someone who can look at your numbers, your structure, your goals, and help you connect the dots. That's where we come in. If you're ready for a deeper look, or even just curious about what hidden opportunities might be waiting inside your business, you can request a free business analysis, tailored specifically to your business goals. It's completely complimentary, and it's designed to help you get real insight without overwhelm or pressure. The link is in the description and the comments section. This isn't a pitch, it's a practical next step. Because knowing what to fix, what to double down on, and what to ignore, that's the difference between spinning your wheels and finally getting traction. So if you've ever thought, there has to be a better way, this is it. All it takes is one step forward. Let's help you find the clarity you've been missing and build the structure your business deserves. You've built something already, something real, something that matters. But if you're still running on hope, hunches, and hustle, it's time to bring in a new tool. Business analysis is the lens that reveals what's working, what's broken, and what's next. It helps you turn effort into effectiveness, customers into fans, revenue into results. And no matter your industry, size, or experience, this approach works. Because the businesses that thrive, especially today, aren't just busy. They're smart, intentional, analytical. So ask yourself, where could your business be 90 days from now with the right insight? That's what business analysis offers: clarity, strategy, growth. If you're even slightly curious about what that could look like for you, take the next step. It's low risk, high insight, and it starts with that free business analysis, just a click away in the description or the comments. You've already come this far. Now's the time to take back control. To lead your business with strategy, not just survival. Let insight lead the way.